We are pleased to welcome Lois Murphy, a candidate for the Court of Common Pleas of Montgomery County. Lois, why is it that you would like to become a judge of this court?
Well, thanks for asking that question, Mark, and thank you for having me. You know, I think it goes back to why practice law. And for many of us, that decision involves two things. One, we want to use our skills and our reasoning and our advocacy to improve people's lives. We want to bring those skills to bear in a helpful way. But two, it's not only about the reasoning in the head, as I put it, it's also about our hearts. It's about connecting with people and listening to people and making those personal connections so that our advocacy is meaningful in people's lives. We have that meaningful, rewarding impact on a day-to-day basis. That's really why I went to law school. That's what this profession is all about to me. I've had the privilege of having a number of wonderful opportunities in the law. I was a law clerk to a federal judge at the beginning of my career. I worked for the United States Justice Department, representing the United States departments such as the Postal Service and the military branches of government in commercial disputes. And I've practiced commercial litigation and then came to trusts and estates, estate planning, a much more personal representation of individuals and families. I also worked for a nonprofit corporation. So in all of those different aspects of practicing law, I've been an advocate, I've been a counselor, and I've worked with people. And I find that if you don't have that connection with people, that day-to-day connection with people, the law isn't as meaningful for me. So as I look at this opportunity, it's just another opportunity for me to serve the community, to serve a greater breadth of our community, to serve more people, to bring those same skills to bear that I've honed as an advocate in federal court, in state court, in orphans court. Bring those skills to bear, but bring them to a wider audience, representing the entire community of Montgomery County, and bringing patience, listening, understanding, my legal acumen, my legal reasoning, to be able to get to the heart of the matter and help resolve disputes that come before the court efficiently, effectively, and swiftly.
What one aspect of your experience do you think best informs your role as a judge?
I think having been an advocate before judges and having been a law clerk for a judge, I don't know if I can boil it down to one, but in a way I think it's listening. Mm-hmm. I think at the end of the day we use the term in the law, a hearing. Everybody's entitled to a hearing, but it's really about listening, and it's about trying to hear. Often in disputes, as you know from your practice, there are two legitimate sides, and there are two points of view, and they're difficult to reconcile. And yet, if we can open our ears and listen and give people that hearing and that time, we can effectively resolve those disputes and create justice.
Lois, I want to thank you for your time. We wish you well on November 3rd, and thank you on behalf of the Bar Association and the community.
Thank you so much, Mark. It's been my pleasure to be here.
Thank you.